welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girlies! So today I'm gonna be showing you guys 3 different hairstyles that I like to do on the everyday basis without any heat, and all you need is literally half of a bundle, sis. Yes, half a bundle. Today I'm gonna be using Eullair hair. I am such a big fan of this company. They are the only company that you're going to be seeing me promote for hair anytime soon. Obviously, I've been sponsored by them in the past, but I've also spent my own money on it just because I don't know if you guys heard about that whole thing where companies were sending good hair to influencers, but they were giving like the actual customers like really bad hair. I wanted to test that myself just because I was really impressed by their hair that they were sending me. And when I received their hair, it was exactly the same, no issues at all, absolutely love it. This hair does not shed, you guys. The hair that I have on right now, I've been using this same bundle for 8 months. 8 months, and the hair still looks good and it still feels good, still works. Everything is little to no shedding, super easy to detangle, and it's curly hair, so the fact that I can detangle it without a problem is very good. And their prices are amazing, so I'm not complaining about that either. So I'm gonna show you guys how much you get per bundle, and you're going to be surprised when I tell you this is only 3/4 of a bundle in my hair right now. This is 3/4 of one. This isn't even a full bundle. The rest of it is right here, but this is basically what it looks like when you get it. This is 20 inches of water wave, I believe. Yeah, this is 20 inches of water wave. Oh, I'm definitely doing a double pony next. Oh, it's so cute! So whether you have to wake up really early in the morning and you don't have time to do your hair, or maybe you're just lazy like me and you want very quick hairstyles, keep watching this video. I'm gonna show you 3 different very quick looks that you can do with literally half of a bundle of hair, and it will look like you put time, sis. I didn't do the baby hairs just because I knew that I was gonna end the style with this look and go about my day with it. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. So every hairstyle that I'm showing you is pretty self-explanatory, but because I clearly love to hear myself talk, let's do a voiceover, sis. So for the first hairstyle, this is the one that's gonna be the quickest. So if you are out the door and you have no time, this is the quickest one. I usually do this in like 2 minutes and under, and I'm out the door. So as you can see, I'm just kind of like putting a little bit of gel here and there and just brushing it to smooth it. But I am not the kind of person that likes to, that sounds weird, I'm not the kind of person, but I am not someone who likes to put the gel and then wrap it and like use heat on it so it could turn into like a shell. I do not like to do that to my hair, just because every time in the past I've done that, I have noticed I have lost hair from it. So personally, I don't like to do that, and I don't mind having a few flyaways. It's not a big deal to me. So as you can see, I put a bun on my head. It doesn't really matter if it's like a super tight bun, because this is going to literally wrap around the entire thing. So if anything, the more volume, the better. So I took one bundle and I actually cut it in half. So I'm only using half of a bundle today. And that's what I love about this hair, is it is thick enough that you can only use half of a bundle, because sometimes, y'all, you can't even use a full bundle. You might need 2 with certain brands, but this hair, you're good. So after adding a bobby pin or 2, I'm gonna actually start wrapping the hair around. And some people may be wondering, like, is it gonna stay on with just like 1 or 2, you know, bobby pins? Yes, I have gone through wind with this. I have had the window open. I have whipped my head around. You will see me do that later on in the video. This does not move, surprisingly. And then I went ahead and added another rubber band just to secure it. And boom, you instantly look like you got hair, sis. So that is basically it. Typically, I'll go in and do like baby hairs and stuff, but like obviously I'm not gonna do all of that because I'm gonna show you guys other hairstyles. But I wanted to go ahead and bring up this, because obviously I'm sure somebody's gonna go in the comments and be like, bitch, why are you bald on the side of your head? I had extensions and I got my hair ripped out, and not only did the extensions come out, but it also ripped out the actual follicle of my hair. So I have to basically regrow this whole little section of hair. And I always make sure I don't make these buns too tight on my head, so just putting that out there as well, because I know someone's gonna say, maybe you shouldn't put your hair up. No, girl. I need my hair out my face. I live in Arizona, it's hot. But to hide that, typically I like to use the Ion root cover. I use it in the color black or the color dark brown, but the last one I bought was in the color black. Unfortunately, I ran out. How convenient that the day I decide to film this video, I run out of this. Typically, I'll take a little bit of this and just basically spray it in that area, and you won't even notice that like that was an issue. So if any of you are out there dealing with maybe alopecia or hair loss, or maybe there was a little bit of an accident like me, definitely go and pick up some of this Ion root cover. The reason I'm recommending this brand is because it doesn't transfer, comes off with shampoo, and it dries really fast. So you don't have to worry about like
putting it on your head and then putting your shirt on, and it like drags across your face. But this is it for the first style. I wanted to show you guys that this literally only takes like a minute and a half, and you can go from having like 1 inch of hair to instantly having like this bun, and I feel like it looks really like, I don't know, it's cute. And then obviously if you did this with like straight hair, then it would look very like sleek. Oh, how I wish I knew about this hairstyle in high school. I literally would have had my hair like this every single day with a bundle and left my hair alone. And you may be thinking, if it's that easy to take out, is your ponytail gonna fall out? I have never had a problem with my like ponytail or my bundles or anything falling off of my head. Obviously, sis, if you are out here throwing hands and you get in a fight, yes, it's gone.
So now moving on to the second hairstyle, we're going to be doing space buns with the bundles, of course. But this time, instead of using half a bundle on each, I actually only needed half of a bundle. So y'all, this hair goes a long way. That's why I'm saying, like, even if you don't purchase like 3 bundles and a frontal, you can literally just order 1 bundle and you're good for like the year with hair. I swear, this stuff is so good. So literally, as you can see, slicked my hair back in 2 different ponytails, 2 little buns, just like I did the last time. I really wish I had edges. Anyways, then we're gonna go ahead and secure it with some bobby pins and start wrapping it around basically the same way that I did with the top knot.
And that is basically it for the second one as well. Just gotta put a couple bobby pins in back there because of the little baby short hairs that are falling. Oh, how badly I wish this wasn't empty right now. This is literally my all-time holy grail product, root cover. But obviously, if you don't have root cover, you could also use eyeshadow. But just for the purpose of this video, I'm just kind of like showing you guys how to actually do the hairstyles. They're super easy. And unlike the other one where you need half to wrap the entire thing, I basically just cut a half of a bundle into 2, and I just turned it into 2 little buns. I'm gonna use black and brown to basically just mix that together and just kind of fill it in, just so I can show you guys what's possible. So you kind of get an idea of how you can like kind of like hide it with eyeshadow, but obviously I would prefer to use this because I feel like this looks a lot more natural. But at the end of the day, you can't stop your DNA sometimes, and nobody is perfect, so don't be hard on yourself if you have thinner edges, because every day I don't try to cover this. Like, I try to cover just a little bit of this because I actually like lost hair there, but like this, like I don't really mind. Like, yeah, I'm losing hair, so what? So that is it for the second style. And as you can see, I'm moving my head around, I'm whipping it, but this is not gonna fall off, girl. You were good, go play basketball. Okay, don't do that. And the last one I'm gonna show you actually might be my favorite, because this time, we're not gonna have to hide anything.
So now this is the one that's probably gonna take the longest, just because when you're actually wrapping the hair around the bundle, you have to be careful not to tangle it at all because you're not turning it into a bun. It actually has to like lay a certain way. So this one might take you like 10-15 minutes if I'm gonna be honest, but the results are worth it. It's cute. And now I'm just trying to decide whether I want to have the ponytail on the right or on the left, and I ended up going with the right side. So now I'm braiding my hair so it doesn't stick out from the bundles, because obviously my hair is like wavy straight right now and I don't want it to stick out. So wrapped another rubber band around that, and now I'm just doing exactly what I did with the buns, but this time you have to be a little bit more careful to where you don't like start tangling the hair. I'm just brushing it out a little bit, and I wrapped a piece around the band just to kind of like hide it. Now I just kind of need to slick this part of my hair back a little bit more, but that is basically it for this hairstyle. So as you can see, you literally just need 1 bundle of hair, and you can do literally 3 hairstyles each in under like 10 minutes and be out the door. Just wanted to come on here and show you guys a couple of styles that I've been doing over the past couple of months, and you guys are going to be seeing me do these a lot more. So in case anybody asks like, girl, do a hair tutorial, here you go. So that is it for this video. If you guys are interested in checking out Eullair hair, all you have to do is click on the link in the description below and use the code simply8 to get $8 off of your order. Like I said, I'm a big fan of this hair, and I'm not gonna promote something that you guys are gonna waste your money on. So I definitely recommend you try them out if you haven't, whether it be for wigs or for sew-ins, like bundles and stuff. Like I said, I've been a customer of them for the past couple of years. I've obviously been sponsored by them, but I've also spent my own money on them. Shipping is always super quick. I've always gotten my hair within only a couple of days, which is amazing. The hair that I
use today, I have been using for like the past 6 to 8 months, and it literally still looks like brand new. So definitely check them out, and hopefully this video maybe showed somebody a couple of hairstyles. I know there's only so many hairstyles that you can do on YouTube, and people have probably shown all of them that I showed you guys today, but people have been asking for this video, so I thought I would make it. My channel's not about to turn into a bunch of hair videos, but I'm definitely gonna start doing more of them just because I'm leaving my hair alone and I want to kind of try different hairstyles and different things. If you guys ever find anything that looks cute, literally tag me on Instagram or DM it to me. So thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. Check out my new song, Social Suicide. It is now on all streaming platforms. I will see you guys all in my next video.